Hi students, today we start we begin the first year syllabus of zoology. First year syllabus of zoology. The junior inter zoology has total 8 units. So the first year zoology has 8 units. They are Unit 1, Diversity of Living World. First unit is Diversity of Living World. The diversity of living world has some topics. So the topics of the first unit, Diversity of Living World, are: the first topic is what is life? What is life? Second topic is nature, scope and meaning of zoology. Nature, scope and meaning of zoology. Third topic is branches of zoology. Branches of zoology. Next, fourth topic is need for classification. Need for classification. Next topic is biological classification. Biological classification. Next topic is levels and hierarchy of classification. Levels and hierarchy of classification. Next topic is nomenclature. Nomenclature. Next topic is species concept. Species concept. Next topic is kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. Next topic is biodiversity. Biodiversity. So these are the topics of first unit, Diversity of Living World. Next, second unit 2 is structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals. The topics of second unit are: first topic is levels of organization. Levels of organization. Second topic is importance of symmetry. Importance of symmetry. Next topic is, third topic is coelom. Coelom or body cavity. Next topic is, or fourth topic is animal tissues. Animal tissues. So these are the topics of unit 2, structural organization in animals. Next, unit 3 is animal diversity 1. Animal diversity 1. Invertebrates. So in this unit we discuss about the phyla of invertebrates. Phyla of invertebrates. The third unit has important animal phyla. It's begin with phylum Porifera and ends with phylum Hemichordata. So in third unit we discuss about the characters and classification of invertebrate phyla. Invertebrate phyla. First phylum is Porifera. First phylum is Porifera. Phylum Porifera. Second phylum is Cnidaria. Third phylum is Ctenophora. Fourth phylum is Platyhelminthes. Fifth phylum is Nematode. Sixth phylum is Annelid. Seventh phylum is Arthropoda. Eighth phylum is Mollusca. Ninth phylum is Echinodermata. Tenth phylum is Hemichordata. So these are the important invertebrate phylum. So we discuss about these phyla in third unit, Animal Diversity 1, Invertebrates. Next, unit 4, Animal Diversity 2, Chordata phylum. So in this unit, we discuss about the phylum Chordata, subphylum Urochordata or Tunicata, subphylum Cephalochordata, subphylum Vertebrata or Craniata, superclass Anatha, superclass Gnathostomata, and Tetrapoda. So these are the topics of Unit 4. So Unit 4 has different topics. Topics are phylum Chordata, subphylum Urochordata or Tunicata, subphylum Cephalochordata, subphylum Vertebrata or Craniata, superclass Anatha, superclass Gnathostomata, and Tetrapoda. So these are the topics of Unit 4. Next, Unit 5, locomotion and reproduction. Locomotion and reproduction. The fifth unit has some topics. The topics are locomotion in protozoa. Locomotion in protozoa, flagellar and ciliary movements, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Locomotion in protozoa, flagellar and ciliary movements, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. These are the topics of Unit 5, locomotion and reproduction. Next, Unit 6, biology in human welfare. Biology in human welfare. in Unit 6 has some topics. The topics of Unit 6 are parasitism and parasitic adaptations. Parasitism and parasitic adaptations. Next topic is health and disease. Health and disease. Third topic is brief account of some other diseases. Brief account of some other diseases. Next, fourth topic is tobacco, drugs and alcohol abuse. Abuse means misuse. So tobacco, drugs and alcohol abuse. So these are the topics of Unit 6. Next, Unit 7, Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana is the scientific name of cockroach. Scientific name of cockroach. In this unit, we discuss about the habitat and habit of cockroach. Habitat and habit of cockroach. Next, external features of cockroach. External features of cockroach. Locomotion in cockroach. Digestive system of cockroach. Circulatory system of cockroach. Respiratory system of cockroach. Excretory system of cockroach, nervous system and sensory organs of cockroach, reproductive system of cockroach. So these are the topics of Unit 7 Pyraplaneta americana or cockroach. Next, Unit 8 Ecology and Environment. Ecology and Environment. In this unit, we discuss about the organism and environment, ecosystem, elementary aspects, Next topic is population interactions. Ecosystems, and next topic is ecosystems and their components. Next topic is food chains, food web, productivity and energy flow. Food chains, food web, productivity and energy flow. Next topic is nutrient cycles. Next topic is population. Next topic is environmental issues. So these are the topics of Unit 8. So this is the syllabus for Junior Inter Zoology. Note this syllabus. Tomorrow I will begin topics of the first unit. So this is the syllabus. Please note this syllabus.